That's right, guys. New camera. USBs. Looks like HDMI. I don't know where that is. Battery. Charger. And the camera itself. You guessed it, no DSLR anymore. Canon Vixia R62 with Wi-Fi, built-in 32 gig. So let's try the audio from this thing to this thing. Okay, so now we'll try the quality on this camera. The battery's only half charged. It's going to take forever, so just going to do a quick video. And we're going to pan around and look outside and whatever. We'll just see how it looks here. Look at Kiwi. So let's go outside and see how it looks out here. Kind of cooled off quite a bit out here, it looks like. The air conditioner isn't running as much. Let's see how I get it. Not bad. Look at that nice house over there. Okay. How does it look like this? Let me back further. It doesn't look bad. So let's try that and we'll do a longer video once it charges.